Welcome to this tutorial. This work is part of the CWES project, and I want to give you an introduction on how to include environmental processes in an MSE using FLBEIA. So imagine that we have our FLBEIA model, and now we want to incorporate environmental influences on recruitment or growth, and I want to show you how to do this properly. So here I chose an example stock, the North Sea cod stock, and have it in its simplest configuration, the model, the one stock, one fleet model. Usually the FLBEIA model is used for mixed fishery simulations, but this would be a little bit overkill for this tutorial. But if you understand it here, this will also be applicable for more complex mixed fishery simulations. So we have a model, we have environmental mediated stock recruitment relationships, and we have maybe an explicit growth formulation, and now we want to put it into FLBEIA. So the goal of this tutorial is we set up a shortcut MSE in FLBEIA, include the explicit environmental influence, and see how stock and harvesting might be affected by climate change. At first, we set up our R, install the required packages for this tutorial, and download the data. I put the data on a Figshare account where you can easily grab a zip file that you unpack and store in this specific directory structure. And then we already start with the FLBEIA conditioning. So this is the part that is used for setting up the main model before the simulation, which is quite tedious, but needs to be done anyway. A good baseline for this process is the FLBEIA tutorial on the FLR homepage, where you can have a look, and we will adapt this basic steps to include our environmental processes. So here we have our operating model that we condition, and our management procedure that we also condition, and basically we tweak here the operating model to include the environmental effects. So I create some helper functions, some lookup tables to help us conditioning things and for plotting later on. And then I start with the global settings, defining the start year and of the simulation. That's the year 2022, and we simulate up to 2061. Then I define the FLBEIA object, which holds all the biological information crucial for the operating model, and the fleets object, which holds the fleet's definition. And the environmental part for the stock recruitment relationships comes in here. Here we just define a basic stock recruitment relationship, fit it, and then override it with our environmental mediated stock recruitment relationship. As you can see here, this is already a fitted model, and I try to put together some functions that are called then in the simulating the model. So R knows where to look for those functions. And then our growth model, which is also environmentally mediated, enforced by salinity and temperature. Here also load in some functions I defined beforehand, and try to interpolate the catchability and the M, because as fish grow, they might have a weight that have a different catchability than the weight observed. So I want to take this into account, as well as the natural mortality. And then when I have done this, it's basically preparing the environmental covariates to put in the respective covariate slots. And then we only need to define our advice objects and our control objects, and can simulate forward. So this is the setup of the simulation routine, where we just simulate our IC's harvest control rule under a min scenario and different climate scenarios, only 10 iterations. And then we run our simulation. It will take a while, even though we only simulate 10 iterations, to incorporate uncertainty and stochasticity. And then when we have everything finished, we can plot the output and see how the cod stock might develop under an explicit environmental mediated stock recruitment function and environmental mediated growth. So yeah, this is it, and thanks for watching and performing the tutorial. Happy coding!